everyone. Welcome to another lesson. This one is on New Eco Island, which is part of eco countries and cities.
Okay, do now Eco Island. Try to watch this video. It's going to be important for you for the end of the thinking tool.
Okay, and before you watch the video, try to think about the characters, try to think about their names, and try to think about what they are doing. What is their purpose? What is their role?
Eco, are you ready? 'Cause here we go. Happy landing in an eco-friendly place. It's gonna put a smile on your face. Eco, are you ready to learn and grow? Every minute we share with special friends, and the good time never ends. It's Eco Island.
The world is an amazing place. A Kenyan proverb reads, "Treat the earth well. It was not given to you by your parents, it was loaned to you by your children." There are steps we can take today to correct yesterday's actions and improve the world of tomorrow. The creators of Eco Island believe it is never too early to teach our children how important it is to take care of our planet. That is why they're passionate about creating a fully animated show with 4 key characters who teach us that being eco-friendly is the most important thing a friend can do. Eco Island is simple, sweet, and smart with a fun and informative point of view. Undiscovered by man, this fantastic island is where these unique and colorful critters call home. What may be trash to us is a treasure to them. Some kids may relate to a character like Fergus, who gives a voice to animals that aren't able to speak for themselves. Others may gravitate toward Putnam, a recycling, trash, and cleaning guru. And there's Tizzy, the power-friendly eco who has almost enough energy to power the entire island herself. Still, others may find Mulch's gardening antics rooted in silliness. Not only does he have a green thumb, his whole body is green. Eco Island is created by Emmy-nominated writer-producer Josh Zaretsky and Emmy Award-winning creative director Michael Bruza. Josh and Michael built this island on these fundamental principles: to teach, not preach, and have fun while the job gets done. If you change the way you look at the world changes.
Okay, welcome back from the video. Today we will learn about New Eco Island to be able to find the circumference and area of circles, then show behavior indicating responsibility for health for all, together with acting in compliance with orders, requests, and instructions heard and read. So the vocabulary, first is island. Island, so a piece of land which is in the middle of a water body is an island. So the island can be in the ocean, it can be in the river, it can be in the lake. Okay? This is an island in the ocean.
Okay, number 2, circumstance. Circumstance. It's like a situation. The circumstance of the air pollution. So the circumstance is like the situation.
Number 3 is whole. So whole means everything or the entire thing. Okay? So whole means 100%.
And then the entire, it's almost same like the whole. So the entire world, like the full world.
Okay, and number 5 is guru. So guru is a borrowed word from the Indian language, which has been accepted in English. And guru really means a master or someone who knows a lot about a certain subject. Okay?
Okay, so describe the cartoon characters from the video and how do they do with the eco world. We have Fergus.
Okay, sorry about that. Okay, you want to do this again? Okay.
So we have Fergus. So give voice for animals that cannot speak by themselves.
second is Putnam, and Putnam basically helps in recycling trash, and he's the cleaning guru. So he knows about how to separate the trash, how to recycle, and how to keep the area entirely spick and span.
Then we have TZ, Eco Power Energy to give energy to the entire island.
Okay, and finally you have Mulch. So Mulch is basically a gardening guru. So he knows everything about gardening, he knows how to grow plants, he knows how much water to give them. Okay? So now, all these characters are important if you want to build an eco-resort on an island yourself. Okay? So that is the main purpose of this lesson. And before we go into the thinking tool, we are going to introduce a concept called the circumference. Okay? So every round object has a perimeter, and that perimeter is called the circumference. So when you learned the square, you learned that the square is this plus this plus this plus this. Okay? But for a circle, the perimeter is this entire area. Okay? So this is the perimeter of a circle. So here you have the formula. So the area of a circle is measured as pi r square. Okay? So if you were to find the area of this, it would be pi multiplied by 13 square, and that is 169. The perimeter is given by a formula which is 2 pi r. So the perimeter of this is 13 multiplied by 2 multiplied by pi. Okay? So that is the perimeter of the entire circle. So try to do this on an A4 size paper. Try to find the area and then try to find the perimeter also.
If you have any question, you can always write in the chat, in the line chat.
Okay, so the reason we told you that is because you have to, when you make an eco island, most of them are circular, and then you have to think, oh, what is the area of this eco island? Oh, how much fence or how much cement will I need because of the perimeter? Okay, so this slide, it tells you how you can make an island eco-friendly. So think about the characters in the video, and we will give you the points in a few seconds.
Okay, so 100% supply of renewable energy from wind, hydro, and solar. Then securing water from groundwater, collecting rainwater, and desalination plant. And recycling plant on the island. That's how to make it eco-friendly.
With all these three, your island can be completely off-grid, because you can get electricity from solar and wind. You can get water from the ocean, which is cleaned by the desalination plant. And finally, if you recycle everything on the island, then you can reuse as much as you can. Okay? So think about all these concepts for your thinking tool.
And then here, so design your eco-island resort and set eco-rules that show behaviors indicating responsibility for health for all. So try to draw the circles on your island.
Okay, and try to think in terms of area, try to think in terms of perimeter. Try to think about all the things you need on your island. Okay, your renewable source of energy, your recycling plant, and the water source. Okay? So this is your thinking tool for this week. You have to draw and design an eco-friendly island.
Okay, but have you learned from this lesson? Then don't forget to write everything in Thai and in English.
And finally, your thinking tool is draw your eco island and use a lot of circles and write down about how you can show behaviors indicating responsibility for health for all.
Okay, that was for this week. See you next time. Bye-bye.